With the union budget for the 2026-27 financial year just days away, the real estate sector is seeking policy support to revive demand in the affordable housing segment. Industry players say rising construction costs and delays in affordable housing projects have slowed momentum, particularly in mass housing. Realtors body Naredco has urged the government to raise the deduction limit on home loan interest to 5 lakh rupees from the current 2 lakh, saying it would provide immediate relief to home buyers and boost demand. The industry body has also sought industry status for real estate, which it says would improve access to cheaper financing and help reduce overall project costs.
Interest rates, we are only suggesting that the 2 lakhs of rupees should be made 5 lakhs of rupees. So the standard deduction which is available on interest on home loans has been stuck at 2 lakhs of rupees last 12 years. We want it to be increased at least to 5 lakhs to take care of the middle class at least.
Another key demand across industry bodies is a relook at the definition of affordable housing. Developers argue that the current price cap of 45 lakh rupees does not reflect market realities, especially in metro cities where land and construction costs have risen sharply. They are calling for the affordable housing threshold to be raised or for affordability to be defined based on unit size rather than a uniform price cap.
अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग की डेफिनेशन को में चेंज की ज़रूरत है और आज के कंज्यूमर की डिमांड और आज के मार्केट के प्राइस के हिसाब से अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग की रियलिस्टिक डेफिनेशन होनी चाहिए। ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा उम्मीद है इस बजट में।
टियर 1 सिटीज हैं, वहाँ पर प्रॉपर्टी के दाम बहुत ज़्यादा हैं और उससे एंड यूज़र को उसका बेनिफिट नहीं मिल पाता। तो अगर वहाँ पर उसके दाम बढ़ा दिए जाए, 90 लाख रुपए 1 करोड़ रुपए किया जाए और जो टियर 2 सिटीज हैं वहाँ पर भी अभी क्या एक ही स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस है उनका 45 लाख रुपए और 30 से 60 स्क्वायर मीटर की जो है कैटेगरी वो अफोर्डेबल में आती है। तो हमने कहा कि 30 मीटर से लेकर 90 मीटर कर दें ताकि टियर 3 सिटीज के अंदर जो 90 मीटर का अगर खरीद रहा है तो उसको वो भी अफोर्डेबल की स्कीम के अंदर वो बेनिफिट उसका ले पाए। और दूसरा है उसकी जो लिमिट है 1 करोड़ रुपए की जाए टियर 1 सिटीज के लिए।
Affordable housing developers have also flagged the slower rollout of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0, particularly the credit-linked subsidy scheme, which had earlier played a key role in improving housing affordability.
PMAY2 has not kicked in as much as it should have. So CLSS did wonders for the industry and for Indians at large in making houses affordable. The PMAY2, in fact, I think if I'm not wrong, there was some news articles about this a couple of weeks ago on how the PMO is now urging banks to make sure that PMAY2 kind of takes shape and grows just as much.
Developers have also sought targeted measures to promote rental housing, which they say is currently not viable due to low returns. The sector has sought lower stamp duty to reduce transaction costs and improve market liquidity. Meanwhile, developers of senior citizen housing have urged the government to recognize senior living as a distinct asset class and introduce a national regulatory framework similar to Maharashtra's separate RERA norms for senior housing projects.
Senior living as a sector is growing rapidly again. In fact, this is growing ahead of the regular real estate growth, actually. This is much more than 25-30% more than the regular housing itself, actually. Like if you look at the Maharashtra government, what they have done is for all the senior living projects, they have brought down the registration charges to as low as about 1,000 rupees, actually. That means the stamp duty is no more on a percentage basis. It is a fixed fee of about 1,000 rupees, actually. So, which is a fantastic move what the Maharashtra government has done. So, this has to be rolled out across the country.
The real estate sector is seeking higher budgetary allocation for infrastructure development, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, saying improved connectivity and urban infrastructure could boost housing demand beyond metro markets. Industry players believe that a mix of tax relief, policy clarity and faster execution of housing schemes could help restore momentum in one of India's largest employment-generating sectors.